My dear learner, today we will discuss how to create an interactive timeline. Before going to create an interactive timeline, first of all, you must have the data along with you and a functional Gmail account. Say for example, I am going to create an interactive timeline on the life history of the Darwin. So, I have already prepared this data along with me, like I have the date and the event that was happened during that date and the description of that event. So, to create an interactive timeline, you have to go to timeline.nightlab.com. It is a very simple and 4-step process. Just click on to make a timeline. So, this is the first step. In the first step, you have to get the spreadsheet template. Click on it. It will ask you to sign with your Google account. Click on make a copy of this template. Now you have this template for creating an interactive timeline which is available in your Google Drive. So first of all, change the title. Say for example, I am making on Darwin, and then see the data given in the timeline. There is a year with, and then there is a end date and end year. Then the display date means the format of the display date, and then we have the title of the event that was happen as a headline and explanation in the text column. Then you have to provide some media. So here is one thing that I would like to share with you, that there is no problem with the copyright or the Creative Commons, as we are not going to download anything from the internet. We are just providing the URL of the image, of the video, whatever you want to use over there, and then give the credit from where you have taken that URL. And then finally, the URL of the background. Say for example, you want to put some beautiful background, give the URL. So delete this data, as we have to put our own data. So copy the data for the first slide that you have already prepared. Say for example, Charles Robert Darwin is born in 1809. So year is 1809, and then this is the headline. He was born over there, and then provide some explanation to it. Copy the explanation and paste it in the text column. Then provide some media. Say for example, I want to use an image of the Darwin as a child. So I am searching it on the internet. Say for example, I want to use this image. Get the URL of this image, copy and paste in the media column, and then provide the credit from where I have taken this image, i.pinmg.com. And then I want to give a beautiful background for this image. Say for example, I want to give the background of this picture. Get the URL in the same way, copy the URL and paste it in the background column. So our first slide is ready. Now I would like to prepare some another slide by using the video, and then I'm going that in the second event that was happened in 1818. Paste the event in the headline, provide some description, copy it and paste it in the text column, then media as I told, I will use a video from the YouTube. So say for example I am using this video, the genius of Charles Darwin. So copy this URL and paste it in the media column, and then provide the credit for this video. Say for example it's a YouTube from where I have taken this video, and then the again the background. So for example I want to use the same background, just copy it and drag. So now our two slides are ready. Again go to the timeline.nightlab.com and go to the second step. It says publishes to the web. So under the file menu, click on publish to the web, click on publish. OK, so your sheet is published on the web. Take this URL and come to the website again and go to the third step, paste the URL. You can also change the width and height. Now go to the fourth step and click on preview. So your timeline is ready. You can see we have this event in 1809 when Charles Darwin was born. This is the image that we used, and this is the credit that we had given, and this is the background image that we used. If you scroll down the timeline, you will see the whole number of years that you are going to use is available over there. So let's go to the second slide, how it does look like, where we have used the video. So this is the video that we have used in the timeline. So this is one of the very best way to create an interactive timeline. Thank you.